So we both turned 40.
Yes, I'm only 40. Yes.
We're 40.
Only 40. I'm not 41.
I just turned 40 last week. And we decided this year's going to be different. We're going to do 40 things in Southern California we haven't done before yet. We are taking this opportunity to go hiking on a Saturday. Not everybody's thrilled about it because normally we stay home and just stay on the internet all day, right?
Why are you pointing me out?
I'm looking for confirmation.
Sounds like you're pointing me out.
No, I already filmed everybody else. See, this one's not happy. The other ones are on their phones. Time for us to go hiking.
Front of the car.
We're here. You guys excited to hike?
Yeah. It's okay place.
It's an okay place. You're not sure about it yet? What do you see?
I see water
Water?
and leaves. That's a lot of fun.
So we asked our best friend, who's more familiar with hiking in Southern California than us, where is an easy place to start hiking for those of us that aren't fit yet. And she suggested this place, which is Oak Canyon Nature Center. And it's supposed to be a nice shaded hiking spot. You excited to hike?
Yeah. This is a big rock.
Ariel, you just hit me
You
with
want
that.
goldfish?
At home?
Yeah? Okay, you finish the hike, I'll give you goldfish, okay?
This hike? Finish the hike and we give me a reward.
What reward do you want?
Let's see. Ice cream.
Ice cream? What do you want for finishing the hike?
Ow.
You know you've whacked 3 people with your stick?
Goldfish.
You want goldfish too?
Yes, Mommy.
You never let me have a stick.
I don't let you have a stick?
Even when I was younger, you never let me have a stick, even if I haven't whacked anybody.
Alright, well now's your chance. Go find a stick. Here comes the rest of our group. I think we're the only groups not in wedding attire.
Hey, get the hat.
Here's our hiking guide.
Take a hike. It's backwards. That's okay.
And we're also going to see which kids complain the most. right.
I got dibs.
You got dibs? I don't
I've got a
know.
vote.
I already have kids that can't handle the flies. Yes, please. What you got?
Get a map.
Ooh, you like maps.
I love maps. Is there a pot of gold with these?
There's like 3 wedding parties here. Nice shaded hiking trails. What'd you find?
Dwarf's mine.
The dwarf's mine?
The dwarf's mine.
Wow. Always wanted to see that.
May or may not have found gold.
Okay. Look, a sleuthing box.
There must be like 2 weddings.
Lots of kissy kissy going on.
Tired already? Yes.
Tired already?
He's never gonna survive. Mom, I'm getting hot.
Did you guys know we had drop bears in Southern California? That is a drop bear nest. Yep.
What is it?
Throw up. It's Shrek throw up. Shrek
Oh, Shrek throw up.
spirit.
What is that, Anthony?
Orange.
Orange?
Real horses. Okay.
All right, we've encountered our first inclines. I don't know about these out of shape kids and parents, how we will fare here. And here's the view. There's Anaheim Hills. Thank you, stick holder. I'm gonna have to upgrade my footwear for the next hike.
Dad, do you need anything?
You're fine.
Dad, do you need anything?
You can do it, Anthony. Sideways feet.
Yeah, he's good like that. It's actually better.
Little feet, little footsteps. He's doing pretty good.
'Cause I think if you slip, you have more traction if your feet are this way. You're not recording, right?
I'm not recording, nope.
You're lying to me, right?
Why would I do that?
I'm watching it. She's not recording.
Okay, slip now.
Dad, look.
No, missed it. I got the bum. Oop. Ooh, it looks slippery.
Oh, apparently that wasn't the hardest part we just encountered. There's more to come.
What?
How do I video this?
I got it.
There's nowhere in my pants to put it.
Don't wreck your pants either.
My health insurance isn't that good. Don't get Kaiser.
Mommy, you're gonna have sand on your butt for the whole
Daddy!
Flying gentlemen!
Sorry.
Ladies go first.
I think that one would have been easier.
Come on, navigator. Did you climb down that mountain?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you're amazing. Thanks, Denise, hike assistant for the 5-year-old. It's Saturday! And we're back in the shade. Justin, how did you survive that hike?
My dad.
So fun.
My dad demanded to go down because of his back.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah. Can we go on another one?
I mean, it wasn't a virtual hike, it was a real one.
That was it?
Is that it? Let's go for more.
No, let's take the Broadway
Okay.
The Broadway.
instead of the.
Smile.
Yeah, we should go the way that we didn't go last.
Brush your butt off. You got dirt. There you go. Good job.
Some more. Hotter. Like Donald Duck. Which one's the male and female?
Like Donald?
Duck.
The pretty one apparently is the male.
Right. That's right. That one's always sitting on the egg. The brown one.
Ariella, not too close.
Yes, people still do walk in front of the camera.
Survival hunger kid thing.
See, the boys, I think, are good at hiking because they just want to keep going. When they have to stand around, that's when life gets harder.
One's doing push-ups. The other one's laying out. There's two.
We go across the bridge. The really cool bridge.
Are there trolls under the bridge?
Oh, look.
Yeah, but they're nice.
He's chasing his friend.
Lizards.
Michaela's gonna go kill him with
Kayla,
He's doing push-ups.
we need to make a decision here.
He's gonna run away. Ariella.
Ariella,
Ariella,
don't
stop.
scare him.
See it, Ariella?
Stream trail. Quail trail.
Stream trail, quail trail.
For a first attempt, we need a wider trail.
I'm too tired.
Well, you got to cross it twice.
You like the woods, Anthony? Especially the flies.
We should live here.
Hey, Mom. Remember
We should live in that tree. We can make a tree.
Can you handle the flies that keep flying around?
Maybe.
they might be worse in other parts of our adventuring, wherever we wander.
Well, I have been to the Philippines, and I was young, and I handled that.
What about Australia? They got flies there.
Anthony. Which one's yours?
Green?
Who else's do I have?
This is a good camera.
Justin, you like the woods?
Yes.
The bush? The foliage? Squirrels. I wonder what was twitching over there across the ravine. Justin has instructed us to avoid the water.
No, a different one.
Nope.
Fox.
Oh, this is a big jump.
Nope. Come here. That's too big to jump.
All right, girls, can you jump the water?
Who's afraid of a little water?
What? Everybody else walked around. Rebels. Someone says rebels on your shirt.
Rebels!
So they're having a discussion. 5-year-old's tired, so Daddy may take her back to the car.
He's not a kid.
Any more?
No.
You guys having fun? Yeah. Is this better than the internet?
Yeah!
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
real.
Do you think we believe them?
I do.
Okay. That's awesome, guys. Good job.
Are we done?
Get Savvy, we get home.
Yes, Anthony. I'll get you Xavier when we get home.
Why can't we go on more?
We're going. I have no idea where I am. I'm waiting on.
Actually has no idea where she is. This is
I'm
awesome.
waiting. I'm the photographer, not the navigator.
Anywhere.
Okay. All right, let's go, guys. Hi ho!
Alright, what'd you see?
I see a bunny.
In the deer?
Yeah, I see it.
In the back? Is he gonna run?
No, he's not. He doesn't see us.
No, he sees us. Oh, look. Moving his foot.
What? What, Daddy?
Alright, come on, let's go.
Jump!
Back to the car.
I jumped over it.
Yeah, I saw
Dead
it
end?
everywhere.
And
But it was just National Assembly.
Dead end.
I'm so glad it's
Okay.
not David. He wouldn't do it for
Going
me.
back.
You guys wait.
I said, okay, fine.
So we both turned 40.
Yes, I'm only 40. Yes,
We're 40.
only 40. I'm not 41.
I just turned 40 last week. And we decided this year's going to be different. We're going to do 40 things in Southern California we haven't done before yet. Or we haven't done them with video.
Or in a really long time.
Or
Or
in a
they're
long-
just really
yeah.
cool.
Yeah, so if you want to know 40 things to do in Southern California
Hiking.
that aren't really the top rated things, because the
Squirrel
top rated things are like Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farm, Magic Mountain. Those, you know, like if you Google top 10 things to do, those are the top 10 things. So these are the unobscure or obscured. What's the right word, Denise? The not so advertised things to do.
secrets.
Hidden secrets that we think are secretive or new, like haven't been around. So this is number 1.
Who's got the cattails?
Us walking in, where are we, by the way?
Oak Canyon
Oak
Nature
Canyon
Center.
Nature Center. It's difficult to Google this place because there's so many Oak Canyon things on Google. But, and we also start out with the easiest thing to start with, right? This hike?
Easiest hike. It's very shady
Yes.
and easy.
So stick around so you can see 40 things to do in Southern California. So there's like a little kids zone up here. Found a freaky snake. I know we're not supposed to be afraid of the snake, but still. Anthony, what's the snake's name?
I don't know. Viper.
Viper?
Viper.
Viper. All right, Viper, you just stay right there. We had to separate because there was a wedding going on and we had to walk past the wedding, so I went with Anthony so he wouldn't make any noise. Yes, that's why we're still being quiet, because we don't want to be loud for the wedding going on.
Really what my mom just said.
Were you guys quiet when you passed the wedding?
Gabrielle's like, they're gonna kiss, they're gonna kiss.
Gabrielle screamed?
Oh, go get the turtle.
I bet they're singing I do right now.
Don't wake the snake, whatever you do. Kayla! It's got you! Ah! It's nice knowing you.
Just take a picture and then send it, show her yawns.
We did it. Our first hike, breaking free of the holds of the internet on a Saturday.
Not quite.
Not quite. You still have your phone. Checking on things. All right, what do you think?
Excuse me.
How was the first hike?
It was good.
You want to do this more often?
Yeah.
We're being videoed.
Double videoed.
Okay, so we're going to try to be a hiking family. Hopefully we get to hike number 2.
I don't get in.
Come here.
There's something
Did
in
you,
my eye.
did you like the hike?
Yeah.
That's
Ah,
good.
there's something in my eye. And there's something in my eye.
Okay. Yay!
Down, down,